are you? Oh god, what the fuck? Frick, frack, freaking fruck. Why? What happened? Why? I am having fun. There you go. Owie! Bastard. The back. Oh, I was too early. Whoa, I'm riding his head. Alright. Hello, Les and Leslies. My name is Bonky, and welcome to the Sons of the Forest. I have played The Forest, the first game. But unfortunately I did not record that because I played that way before I started my YouTube channel, so I didn't record it and I don't feel like playing through that again. I'm quickly gonna skip through this because this is very loud for me. I turned the volume down for you guys. I'm just gonna play on normal. But yeah, this is Sons of the Forest. I have, like I said, I have played the Forest, and that was a really good game. It's just a survival horror kind of game. It's not necessarily horror as in it has jump scares, at least not that I am aware of that it has jump scares. But yeah, this is just a survival game. The first game was a lot of fun, and I hope that this game is going to live up to my expectations. I am all alone again. This is also a game that you can play with multiple people, but like I always say with multiple player games, I don't have a lot of friends. Well, I do have a lot of friends, but I don't have a lot of friends which play games. And the friends that I do have, like my friend Smokey, which I played the Grounded ones, which we still have to finish, by the way, but we are both very busy, so we don't have time for it, and I hope we will get to finish it eventually because I don't want to leave you guys hanging with just half a playthrough. But I am all alone, and I have seen several parts of it before it got fully released. It is fully released now, at least I think it is fully released, at least I hope it is fully released. Wow, this is a long loading screen. Alright, but like I said, we are gonna see how this game is going to turn out. And since this is a long loading screen, let me just prepare some other stuff for you guys. Alright, I hope it runs a little bit better now. I just needed to close some things which were still open, like my editing things and yada 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 yada. You guys don't care about that. I'm not even sure if I'm going to upload these videos. I am recording them just preemptively because even if I'm recording, even if I'm not recording, I always talk to myself, and yeah, that's just what I do when I'm gaming. So I'm not entirely sure if I am going to upload this video, yes or no. But if you guys see this, then you know I have uploaded it. If you guys don't see it, you know I haven't uploaded it. Well, you guys wouldn't even know about it because I wouldn't have uploaded it. So, well, then this whole endeavor would have just been a complete waste. But this game is quite difficult. The things that I remember from The Forest is that you can build a base and that people can invade your base, the cannibals. And that's pretty much everything I know. I should probably turn the volume back up for you guys, but it looks like you're hearing just fine for now. So we'll just leave it at that. Nice beach. What are we doing? Can I look around? Yeah, I can. Oh, hi Fisheye. Hi Calvin. What are you looking at?
Blasted was some 500 feet below ground 7 months ago.
Oh.
You're not going to find anyone alive down there.
Sure. I don't believe that for a second. Weeks missing. Edward Puffton, 31 weeks. And oh, D. There we go. Barbara Puffton. Weeks missing, 31. Virginia Puffton, so the entire Puffton family then. Side map, aerial view. This is a big place. Nice. I like that. Alright. Fight. Demons. Nice. Haha. Did I get shot? Really? Really? That's not how that works. That's not how that's supposed to work. It doesn't work like 2 shots to the window and the chopper dies. That guy's dead. Alright. I don't think you're gonna survive there. It's not like I did much to save him as well. Alright, get out. Come on, get out. Get out. Get out. You're gonna drown there. There you go. That's scary as water. How would you even know where up is? Trust me, if you're in the water, you have no idea which way is up. Especially when you're underwater. Oh, also, if you guys didn't notice, I replaced my microphone. It's now in the back of my computer. So I hope the recording... Ow!
Now who invited you here?
I did. Who are you? Why didn't you just shoot me? Alrighty then. Oh. Emergency pack. Right. Oh! By the way. Okay. This looks cool. Right. Book. Journal. Inventory. Okay, oh, here we go. Add items to the mat to open or combine them. Okay. Like, oh, what the hell? How did I even open that? Oh, here we go. E, inventory. Okay. Okay. Remove. Crafted spear. Okay. I don't know why I would use my knife for that. I'm gonna assume that... Oh, well, that's cool. Yes, please. Click the gear to open the emergency pack. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Thank you. What is all this? GPS tracker, a lighter, guidebook. Oh, guidebook. Thanks. That's what I wanted. There's nothing in there. Nothing in there. Is there anything in there? No. Okay. Can I... No. That's not what I wanted to do. Jesus Christ. Okay. Whoa, I need to get used to this. Can I? Yes, there we go. Equip this to 1, equip that to 2, equip that to 3. And I think this one has his, probably has his own, what do you call it? It's a stick. That one probably has his own, yeah, what do you name it? Hotkey. Quick bar, you know what I mean. Seagulls! Can I kill the seagulls? Oh yes I can. Ooh yes, feathers. Ooh. Alright. You know, I said that I am alone here, but that's not quite true. Because, as you can see... No, I don't want that hat. Wait. Unless... I can! They changed that. That's good. Alright. In the first Force game, if you killed an animal and you collected their heads as trophies, you needed to carry... Oh. I don't like spiders! Kill the spiders! Kill the spiders! Kill it! Kill the spiders. I don't... Alright, you're gonna die in the sea. That's some creepy ass spiders. Alright. Okay. Yeah. I'll be with you in just a second, man. Ooh, flares. Yes, please. Tarp. Light bulb. I'm getting a lot of stuff. What did I do? I hit something. Whoa, okay, I don't know what I'm hitting. What am I hitting? Okay, I don't care. Hi, buddy. Yeah, I'm coming for you. Hi, dude. This is my friend. This is Calvin. You okay, Ben? He's deaf. Unfortunately for me. Calvin. Hello. Calvin? Wake up. There you are. Alright. Oh, okay, so okay, now I got that. Let's just stick that on there. Okay. I can write letters to him, I can make him do stuff, I can make him collect shit. But let's see if one of our other friends is alive here. Feathers, give me the feathers. Damn it, those feathers flew far, far away. Where did the... Here we go. Alright. Thank you. I need food, that's why I'm killing these animals. Give me the feathers, thank you. Alright, here we go. First things first, we need to build a base. And how are we going to do that? I have no idea. But the foundaries of a good base are proper placement. Is this one of the dudes that... Oh, nice skull head, man. Where did you get that mask? I want that mask too for Halloween. Hey, why do you not have a mask? What is that sound? I think that's not in the game. Alright. Whoa. Okay, wait. I need to check if my audio is recording this because it seems to be lagging a lot. So give me a second. Alright. I'm back. The recording seems to be fine. For some reason the audio bars from my OBS seem to be hanging in just a still spot for some reason. I don't know why, but God, I don't like spiders. That's right, bitch. I do not like spiders. Like, at all. Oh, I see a campfire over there. Maybe I should build there. I honestly wonder if it's a good idea to build my house here at the beach, my first house. I think I might actually do that. I mean, I have birds here, I probably can fish. I think I might do that. Right. Ah, here we go. There we go. There's the guidebook I wanted. That's the tent. Advanced cooking. Switch mode. What's this? Okay, well, not necessarily. Right. Stairs. Floor. Stick structures. Okay. Basic fire. Oh, okay, so just put sticks on the floor. Right, and a tent. Alright. I think I might actually build my base here for starters. I think I'm just gonna start my base here. Just because I feel like this is a nice defensible position. I have the sea at the back. And I've always wanted to live at the sea. Alright. Buddy. Let me see. Take a break. Stay here. Build. Get. Here we go. Get logs. And drop here. Come on. There we go. Alright. He's going to get the logs for me. He's going to put them there. which is very nice, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I am strong. Nice. Oh, okay, I need to go get the how do I Jesus, how do I pick up the other one? Hi! Can I just carry one? No, here we go. Okay. I don't know how many logs I can carry, but I'm gonna assume 2 since that was the standard with the first guy. Right. How do I drop? Drop. 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 There we go. What's that? T. I. No, what was that? G. G. G's drop. Okay. There we go. Shut up, Mr. Seagull. I like living near the beach. Alright. No, I can carry 2 logs, I was right. I can carry just 2 logs, which is completely fine, I don't care about that. Right. Let me start building my base. Right. Let's learn how to do that while he is gathering my supplies. Right. Let's put the tarp down. Okay. Inventory. I need to put that on tab. What does tab do? Nothing. Right. Let me see if I can change that. Controls. Inventory. Tab. That's so much better. Right. Crafted spear, stone arrow. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, where are my sticks? Sticks. What's this? Printer machine. Okay, I don't know what that's for. Where's there? Sticks. Damn it! Right. Right mouse button probably, right? Yeah, combine. Let me see. Crafted bow. I need rope for that. Crafted club, repair tool, torch, crafted spear, stone arrows. Don't necessarily need any of that then. Alright. Book. Let me see. No, right, that's what I wanted to do. Where did the tarp go? I know I have a tarp somewhere. Where? There it is. Right, so. Put the tarp down. Let's get a nice ocean view. Alright. And there we go. We've got a place to sleep now. Let's ruin it. I don't like it. Can I?
Yeah.
There we go. I could ruin it. Okay, good. Because I don't want to build that kind of a shelter. I want to build a hunting shelter. Yeah. Right. I think these look nicer, and I am a survivor, so why not? Let's just make a nice house. Unfortunately, I can't carry more logs. Okay. I should have made him drop them a little bit more closer here, but it's fine. I'm gonna build a wall there anyway, so he's doing a good job so far. Right, I need 2 more logs, and then I can finish building the rest. Right. And here we are. There we go. And let's save. Alright. Now, Let's start building a wall here with a door. Let me see, my book. Shelter 2. Oh, that looks nice. Lookout tower, that's also nice. Right, 3 platform 2. I am eventually going to live in the trees. Small platform, medium platform, stick chair, bench, bone chandelier, chair, couch, wall torch, head trophy mount, table, round table, stick bed, double bed, stick storage. Definitely want to get these. Alright, let's just start building these as well. Right there. And then the stick storage. Right there. Oh, I don't have any more sticks. Right, I'll just gather those when I need it. Okay. Lock storage, large lock storage, stone storage, bone storage, spear rack, firewood storage, drying rack, armor rack, shelf. There's a lot of stuff I can do. Arrow storage, explosive holder. I'm gonna build this shit like in my real base when I eventually get my, well, small rabbit hutch, standing planter, wall planter, small animal trap, fish trap, cool, bone marker trap, oh, bone maker trap, sorry, fly swatter trap, spring trap, pucky trap, silent alarm, leaf trap, explosive tripwire. There's a lot of shit. Okay. I need the book, switch modes, because you were explaining right here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I built my tent. Let's go for the basic fire. I don't have any more sticks though. Let's gather up supplies. Let's start doing that first. My buddy is still collecting, at least I hope he's still collecting logs, which is completely fine. Oh, yeah, there he is. He's still collecting logs. Good boy. Ooh. Hi. Oh, I can't get anything from you guys. That's a shame. Alright. I like that I have a mini-map. Because, as you guys may well know, my directional skills suck. I have very bad directional skills. Like, I used to play Minecraft when I was younger. And I would just sometimes just go out in the wild. I had my compass with me, I had some maps with me, and I still would get lost, not being able to find my way back home. I have no idea how many times that happened, but it happened a lot. The tree falling. Oh, it's over there. Assuming you're done gathering these final logs, I'm gonna make you gather up the other shit. I'll gather these last two. Let's go, buddy. You've got enough logs for now. Now I want you. Come here. Alright. Get sticks and give it to me. Alright. Go. Alright, buddy. I'm gonna finish my stick and rock holders. I can hold 30 sticks in there. Ooh, that's nice. God, the fucking spiders! I hate spiders. Man, I hate spiders. You know, there's just one fear in my life. Just one. And that's spiders. And I will never be able to grow over it. Never. Oh shoot, that was not what I wanted to do. I like the slapping noise when I place these things. Slap, 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 slap. Alright. I don't know how many logs are here, but let's cut this one in half. This one in half. Are you actually giving them to me, or is it more like a situation that I... There we go. Let's mark our border, man. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this while I'm recording. Maybe that's not a good idea.
Yeah.
No, you know what? I'm gonna make this my starting base. And go... Alright, I'm gonna make this my starting base. I do have some stuff equipped for now, which is fine. But like these logs and all the other stuff that's here, I'm just gonna leave it there for now, and I just wanna explore the island a little bit. Can I place like a marker on the map? Let me see. Where was my book? Here's my book. Right, well, that's a shame. What is this? Oh, okay, that's nothing. Okay. Where did you drop those sticks, man? Came back with a lot of sticks and he just didn't give them. That's what happened. Okay, well, I'm gonna quickly build as a... Where was it? Utility, right? Yeah, utility. No, not utility. Storage, drying rack. Because then I can dry my meat. And dried meat, if I'm not mistaken, does not spoil. Right. Let me see. Raw meat. Raw meat. Right. Man, where are you dropping all those? Here you are. Okay. Can I make them? I don't think I can make him store them, right? Alright, buddy. You're done collecting sticks. You're just gonna follow me. Okay. Give me the sticks. And we are going on a little adventure. We're not. Sorry, I keep forgetting to do shit. I first want to work through this. So, let's build a fire. I also need rocks for that. Okay. Now, tap. Stick. Let's build a fire right there. Alright, here we go. Reinforced fire. Right. Now, next one. Reinforced fire. Oh, put some rocks around it. Okay. My rocks and... There we go. Right. Got a reinforced fire. Alright, let me see. What else is next? A floor. Do I really need to build that? Yeah, let's just build it so I can see how that works. I need logs for that. Okay. How did I do that? Let me see. The log, put that there. Oh, chop it into halves, I think. Is that what that said? Let me see. That's what that said, right? Yeah. I need another one as well. Drop it there. There we go. Now, how do I build this? Oh wait, I need a normal log, right? Hey, stay off my meat. Is it ready? Oh, it is ready, okay. The eating noises are not okay. Where are all those logs? It's very dark, I can't see. Dark stuff. Holy crap, right, I need to turn up the brightness. I can't see a shit right now. Well, that didn't help shit. Not yet. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. I need... Are these full logs? I think these are full logs. I think that's what I'm doing wrong. Logs should be somewhere over here. Alright, I'm just gonna go sleep. I can't see shit right now. I'm just trying to learn the basics. Sorry guys, bear with me here. But looks like I did find what I needed. Yeah. Oh, whoopsie daisies. No. Okay, well, this is how you learn. Okay. Need one more log. One more log. There we go. Okay. Can I get this to go? It doesn't even seem to be doing anything. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Roll over. There we go. Chop this in the middle. Let's see. I can't place those there. Alright, fine. It's okay. I don't care. Not really. But then again, I never do. Let me see if I can find some more seagulls. Yes, I can. I'm gonna kill you. Feathers, feathers, feathers. Thank you. And then cut these guys into little pieces. Okay, I can only carry one of them. Feather, 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 feathers. Collect the feathers. Here we go. Right. Some more meat. Get me some more meat. I can only carry one head, which does make a lot of sense. I don't know if I can carry like one head for each from each bird or like each animal there is. I don't know how to know when this shit is ready. Are you eating my food? Okay, clothing. Get sticks and fill holder. Oh, there we go. So I can do that. Let's go. Oh, now the meat is ready. I can't just take it. God, that eating noise is not okay. Oh, I can just take it. Ow. Whoopsie daisies, let's drink something. Am I still on fire? I'm still on fire, aren't I? Am I done burning? Okay. He's going to get his sticks over there. I'm going to explore just a little bit before I stop recording. No, I'm actually not going to stop recording. I'm just going to explore a little bit. And he's going to fill the hole there. And I am going on an exploration trip. Find me some good shit. Okay. Gimme. Nope. Okay. Alright. Let's see. I saw a cave over there. Oh, that's the first time I equipped my map. There's a cave right here. What's this? Blueberries collected. I could probably eat these, right? Looks like it. Okay, good. Alright, there's a cave somewhere here. Oh no, it's more over there. What's this? Salmon berries. Are those good? Apparently. Yarrow. Oh, yarrow. What's that again? I think if I hear the Dutch name for it, I know what it is, but... Oh, look, there's the cave. Alright. Can I get in the cave? Oh, sorry,